welcome back to Writing Practices. How many of you are struggling with writing? Do you know that professionals authors make the act of writing a regular occurrence, often a daily routine? If you are just starting out as a writer, then you can learn how to develop writing practice routines that will help improve your skills and increase your output. Of course, there are many writing prompts and writing exercises that can help improve your writing skills. Here are some tips and exercises ideas that will help you hone your creative writing skills. And first of all, keep a journal. One fundamental way to become a better writer is to practice daily writing in a journal. Setting a daily writing time can help you get into the consistent habit of writing, and also it can help you push through writer's block. Free writing can also turn into blogging and eventually lead to published pieces. The best way to confront the blank page is to keep writing with regularity. And second, choose a setting. If you are having a trouble getting started on a piece of writing or want to practice with a writing exercise, choose a location and structure a story around it. You can choose some place with which you have familiarity or able to thorough research. And three, you can describe a real person. It is one way to get the creative juices flowing and practice writing character development is to free write about a real person. Of course, this could be anyone in your life. For example, it can be your ex-boyfriend, a former English teacher, or even your younger self. This is a great way to strengthen your powers of description. And the fourth, write a series of first sentences. This is a fun writing activity for your practice sessions as to seek out or create your own prompt sentences, and you can use to start a piece of writing. By using a good creativity writing prompt can be a fun writing activity, and it will get you out of your head and helps you put your thoughts onto the page. And the fifth, join a writing workshop. Seeking out writing courses can be a great way to meet fellow writers and get a step-by-step approach to the writing process from a teacher you trust. A writing instruction course or workshop is often a more informal group of writers who trade things they have written and give suggestions and feedback. Writing class often has a lesson plan with distinct writing lessons, and it will give you a chance to practice different writing techniques. Teachers of a writing class might have given you a writing assignment between classes Teachers of a writing class might give you a writing assignment between classes in order to keep you to develop a specific skill. And guess what? You can find it on YouTube with writing practices. And the sixth one, break down your favorite pieces of writing. This is one good way to develop your own style, and you can learn about the writing process is to analyze a written work that you admire. Look for books or essays by a great writer whose style you would like to emulate and do in-depth close reading. For instance, if you like Ernest Hemingway, take some time to read The Sun Also Rises while paying close attention to the story structure, diction, and stylistic choices. And for the next, write an outline without feeling the pressure to use it. A tip for first-time writers is to spend time outlining and pre-writing ideas without committing to turning them into fully fledged written works. This practice exercise applies across genres, whether you are writing a novel or starting out in essay writing. Number 8. Edit something that you have set aside for a while. The best writers never speed through the editing and revising stage on a writing project. First drafts are meant to be refined, and it is important to put the time into editing your work in order to produce something worth reading. Dig up something you haven't worked on in a while and practice editing it. And note how your writing sensibilities have changed over time. Number 9. Experiment with different genres. Just because you have more experience or familiarity with a particular type of writing doesn't mean you shouldn't experiment in other genres. A great way to develop your own writing and gain practical know-how is to dabble in something out of your comfort zone. Fashion bloggers might try writing short stories, and novelists might try their hand at business writing. So how about you? And the last, number 10, brush up on the rules. Studying grammatical rules and stylistic guidelines can be a great way to spend your time during a writing practice session. Even if you feel that you know grammar inside and out, a little refresher will improve your writing and make you more confident. So that's the 10 ways to practice writing. Are you ready to learn with me? To learn with Writing Practices YouTube channel? See you soon!